Today I am going to start the exercise number 1.5 of the topic number systems. Okay, see, in this exercise number 1.5, the first topic is rational number and irrational number and their operations. Okay, see the properties of rational and irrational number. When we add a rational number with the rational number, then the result is always a rational number. Okay, when we subtract a rational number from the rational number, the result is rational number. When we divide the rational number by a rational number, then the result is rational. And when we multiply a rational number by the rational number, then the product is always a rational number. Let's see examples. For the first, we know that 2 is a rational number and 3 is also a rational number. When we add them, the result is 5. 3 is a rational number and 1 is a rational number. When we subtract, the result is 2. 4 is a rational number and 2 is a rational number. When we divide, the result is 2. 4 is the rational number and 2 is the rational number. When we multiply, the product is 8. So these are the forms of the rational number when we add, subtract, divide or multiply. Okay. Now, the next property, when we add an irrational number with another irrational number, then the number will be irrational as well as the rational. When we subtract irrational number from the irrational number, the number will be irrational or rational. When we divide irrational number by an irrational number, the number will be irrational or rational. When we multiply an irrational number with the irrational number, then the number will be irrational or rational. And the next four properties are, when we add a rational number with an irrational number, the result will always be a irrational number. When we multiply or subtract rational from irrational or irrational from rational, the answer will be an irrational number. The product of irrational and rational will be irrational, and the division of irrational by rational or rational by irrational is always be an irrational number. So ये यहाँ पर रेशनल इरेशनल होते हैं, इनका सम, प्रोडक्ट, डिवीजन और सब्सट्रैक्शन, ये हमेशा इरेशनल क्यों आता है? बिकॉज रेशनल नंबर्स आर हैविंग द टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग बट रिपीटिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म, बट एन इरेशनल नंबर आर ऑलवेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग. सो व्हेन वी ऐड, सब्ट्रैक्ट, डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई these decimal forms, we will get the answer in the form non-terminating and non-repeating. That's why they always come in the irrational form. Like when we add 2 and root 3, so we cannot add 2 with root 3, so it is the form of irrational number. When we subtract 2 from root 3, the difference is always irrational number, and these pairs are also called the irrational pairs. When we multiply root 3 by 2, we will get 2 root 3. So it is the form of an irrational number. And we divide root 3 by 2. It cannot be solved. So it is the form of an irrational number. Okay. Now see the examples of this property. When we add irrational and irrational, we will get the answer irrational as well as rational. Why? See example. When we add root 3 with 2, root 2. Both are irrational number, then it is called the irrational number. But when we add the pair of irrational number with an irrational number, like root 3, 2 minus root 3, the difference of rational and irrational number is a irrational number. When we add this irrational number with another irrational number, root 3, so what will we add? 2 minus root 3 plus root 3, that is 2. Which is called the rational number. तो जब हमने एक irrational number के कॉम्बिनेशन को और एक irrational number को ऐड किया, तो हमने क्या प्राप्त किया? हमने क्या? rational number. So इस कैटेगरी में irrational और rational दोनों ही आंसर आ सकते हैं. Let's see another example. Like 3 plus root 5, one rational number, irrational number, and root 5 is the another rational number. When we subtract this, we will get the answer 3. which is a rational number. And when we add two different irrational numbers, we will get the answer irrational number. Now see the division. When we divide root 3 by 2 root 3, because the combination of a rational and irrational number is always get the irrational number. So these can be cut down 1 upon 2, which is called the rational number. And when we multiply irrational by irrational, like root 3 multiply by 2 root 3. So we will get the answer root 3 into root 3 and 3 to the 6, which is called the rational number. तो यहां हमने आपको क्या दिखाया कि इरेशनल और इरेशनल का सम, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इरेशनल तो होते ही हैं, साथ में रेशनल भी हो सकते हैं. कब हो सकते हैं? जब इनमें से कोई भी एक इरेशनल नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर से बना हुआ हो. सो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, इस प्रॉपर्टी से आपको सॉल्व करनी है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.5. नाउ सी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. There are 5 parts. You have to classify them into rational and irrational. First, 2 minus root 5. Here we see 2 is rational and root 5 is irrational. Then we see that rational and irrational, if there is a difference between rational and irrational, the answer will be an irrational number. Okay? So, the first will be irrational number. Second part, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. These can be cut it down. The answer will be 3, which is a rational number. Third, 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. So 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Root 7 can be cut it down. The result will be 2 upon 7, which is a rational number. Okay. 1 upon root 2. 1 is a rational number and root 2 is a irrational number. तो rational और irrational number का जो division होता है, that will be an irrational number. Next, 1 upon root 2, it is also an irrational number. And 2 pi, you know very well that pi is the form of an irrational number and 2 is a rational number. So when we do the product of rational and irrational, we will get the irrational number. So 5th is also an irrational number. Students, in this way, this question number 1 is completed now. You have to do it in your fair notebook.